Alright, so what happened? Sometimes constraint force you to do something which you probably not do in the very first place. At least that is the case for me. So I ran out of underlying storage for the machine I'm sitting right now, but I wanted to try out some distribution, generally which I don't run. I have a specific set of three. I run Gentoo, Slackware, Debian. Okay, and now I'm going to try out Fedora, the latest version, that is 40, but I ran out of space. Fortunately, I'm sitting on Debian, and it is run by systemd, and systemd container package has got a binary called systemd-nspawn, which basically help you to run images in containerized fashion. So that is what I'm going to show you. It's a very little thing. Those who know about it very well, those who don't know about it, they'll come to know about it. Okay, so let me go to a terminal, and I have a small file which I'm turning off my screen key because I need to type out my password, which will be exposed if I do. So basically, let me show you first. This is just an ordinary file. Okay, this is what it contains. It's simply mounted a specific location in the host. I'm sitting on Debian, I'm saying, and I'm trying to run Fedora 40 latest version in some specified directory where it should be mounted. Okay, so to run this, okay, alright, so look at the bottom of the screen. I've been prompted to give my username so I can get it. One heads up, if you are not aware of, if you run systemd-nspawn, the underlying kernel is the same as the host kernel while you run it. Okay, so that's why it's printed out. You look at carefully. The 6.9.0, that's the latest kernel. I built it in the morning, so that is being used. Okay, anyway, so to show you some sort of activity, so if I go here and if I somehow try to DNF update, see, it prompts me. If I say yes, it will go ahead and just see. I'm just showing you a rudimentary activity within a containerized space provided by systemd-nspawn. So likewise, once you have this kind of images and you are running out of storage space, in my case it is the case, so I have to try out something with this kind of stuff. A storage space, I have a very small EFI partition, so I cannot put the kernel and initRD image in there because of space constraint, so I cannot put it physically from there. Okay, so that is why this mechanism I have adopted to get into some tested system. In this case it's Fedora 2040, okay, to test out instead of physically put it. So constraints brings up something which I'm forced to do, although it's not a bad thing, it's a very good thing and people are using it. I recommend it using it. I do not use it frequently, and I'm quite reluctant because I have my other stuff in a physical partition, so I access it and use it every single day, and I don't need this kind of, but this is a damn good thing. That's why this binary exists. Okay, so this is a small tip if you wanted to get over your constraint or wanted to test it out. I generally people do in a many ways, containerize with to test out things or various parts of a particular OS distribution or even facilities without disturbing the actual host OS underneath. So this is a very common practice. I haven't done something different. I'm just reiterating and show you people who probably can look into it and use there for their benefit. Okay, I hope it will help some people. Thanks for watching.